We are doing a sewer inspection. Come along for the ride, folks, and help me find where the clean out is. Huh. Beautiful day though. Brand new house. $2.5 million for this sucker. But I must say, it's quite nice. I do not see any sewer cleanouts anywhere. There's a kitchen clean out. Oh man, this is nice. How cool, huh? I guess it's possible the sewer is in the alley. But I doubt it. Gas and water are back here, but if the sewer is back here, they would need some kind of ejector pump, which, I mean, I guess it's possible. I suppose it's possible, but unlikely. Look at that tub. That's likely going to be it. Jeez. And I pulled in, and I was even looking for him in the dang driveway, but whatever. I'm not complaining. Why am I complaining? I'm not complaining. We just got a cool little tour of this house. All right, let's camera it. All right. There you go. Let's see what we got. Okay, so first thing I see is running water, but the house is empty. And we have a Santee, that may be a two-way clean out on its back. Okay, so it's a two-way clean out, 4-inch. And then it transitions immediately, whoa, to That's 6-inch clay. See the big drop off there? Boom. So 4-inch boom to 6-inch clay. And now we're going down a pretty steep hill. There's a slight pipe dislocate right there. I wouldn't be too worried about it because you're at a pretty steep grade. Another slight pipe dislocate right there. That one's a little worse. Had a hard time getting the camera by that. And you have a pretty good pipe dislocate right there. That's a good one. You can see the water smacking up against it and hopping over. And that's the city main right there. Okay, so that's only 18 feet. So now what we'll do is we'll camera the line going that way. So now this way we were going towards the street. So now we're gonna go that way. I take that back. This is a combi because you can see the slope in which it's wanting to direct me. So we will go to the clean out back here and we'll camera it from there. Okay, now we're on the side of the house. Let's see. Whoa. I think you have a backup here. That ain't good. That shouldn't do that. Let's see. Let's see why that did that. Yeah, this thing's holding water. It's probably back pitched. There must have been a backup at some point. So you can see all the paper. All ABS. A couple Ys coming in. Oh no, that's just, no, that is a Y, yep. Got something hanging out of a toilet bend right there, most likely. Don't know what that is, but some, looks like grease on the ceiling there of the pipe. It's kind of interesting looking. I don't know. That's very interesting looking. Let's getting really hard to push. That's you're coming up to a chimney. So now it's dropping down. I can't, problem is I can't push the camera any further. The push rod's not allowing me to go any further. There we go. And then it drops down. Yeah, I'm having a really hard time pushing this. Yeah, it doesn't want to. I gotta use a bit of caution here. I don't want to get this stuck. But it's all ABS. I mean, it's probably, you got a raised foundation here. So, you know, I wouldn't be too worried about it. Yeah, I can't push that anymore. All right, I'm gonna pull it out.